how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget using email. Now, after you open the Bitget app, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, after that, go to assets and tap on it. After that, go to spots and tap on withdraw. Now, after that, select USDT and tap on internal transfer, tap on it. Now, as you can see here, you need to select the crypto that you want to send to that Bitget user. Just tap on USDT and now tap on email, account type, tap on email. Now enter the email of that user and tap on how much of the USDT you want to transfer to. And as you can see, the fee is 0. So after you type the account email and how much of USDT you want to send to that Bitget user, just tap on withdraw, and now you transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget using email. So this is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget using email. Thanks for watching, and if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.